Greetings, my unbelievable VCon Connect V family all over the world. This is your chief growing a beard to look wiser, all right, on this Wednesday message. Firstly, guys, I don't know why, I'm super excited. I spent the whole day today with V partner Sati, AVP Kalai, V counsel Devraj, and we were putting, and V partner David, we were putting the final touches to the most magical event, 14, 15, 16 March, VCC, VCon Connect. If you have not purchased your ticket for this historical online global broadcast network marketing extravaganza, please go and see a psychiatrist, because there's something mentally wrong with you. If you are still thinking, should I buy a ticket? Should I go to VCC? You must. It is no longer a choice, guys. It is a necessity. And this VCon, boom, we're going to blow your mind. It's going to be the most unbelievable click you will ever achieve. All right? And I have been spending so much time planning this VCon with the amazing coin service, the amazing corporate guys from QNet, the V, Q Lifestyle, okay, everyone putting this together. All right, and I am telling you, it is just like Disneyland, you know. It's limitless what we can do with technology. And the beauty is, wherever you are in the world, you have access to VCon today. There were so many limitations to many people around the world to come to Malaysia. The stadium had a limit to the capacity, but today, our goal this VCon, we broke the record in September 2020, but March 2021, we are raising the bar higher, and we are going to have the largest online audience in the history of network marketing. We have people coming from all over the world. Countries that I can't even pronounce sometimes are coming to this VCC. So, my simple philosophy in life, no more excuses. This is about your journey, your dreams, your max out. And if you have uncertainty in your mind, if you have unanswered questions, if you're lacking the passion, you're lacking the belief, you are facing great challenges in your market, let me tell you, every answer will be at VCC. Every solution, VCC. Every realization, VCC. Every line you're going to cross, VCC. Finding your dream, VCC. Becoming a warrior, VCC. So I want to see you there. And on this Wednesday message, after spending the whole week talking to tons of people in the corporate family, in the networking family, I realized that a lot of people have forgotten the most important rule to succeed in network marketing. And I know every time I make a video, I speak of so many concepts. But today I was reminded, engaging with my mentor and the most unbelievable upline in the world, the one and only, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. And he said, Patman, the answer is obvious. All right? It's 4 words. Monkey see, monkey do. All right? And these 4 words, as much as it sounds as something funny, and everyone laughs whenever we say it, I think it is the fundamental philosophy of network marketing. I think it defines what you need to do, what you need to understand to become a successful networker, because that is the ultimate goal. And I know there are many systems, there's so many things we have taught, and one of the greatest challenges is to be able to transfer the knowledge, to get your downline switched on. And everyone is looking for different techniques, all right? and counseling with their uplines and trying to find a way to wake up, all right, their organization and hopefully find downlines that are switched on. But then Dato Sri consistently reminded me that the answer I seek is not outside. He always, answers me in a philosophical manner, if you know Dato Sri Vijay. All right? He said, the answer is in the mirror, Padman. Go back home. Look at the mirror for a long time and you will find the answer. Now, when I was young, all right, I went back home, looked at the mirror, of course, seeing this gorgeous face of your upline in chief, and I tried to figure out what is he talking about. Is it the fire in my eyes and everything? And I went back and saw him again. And he said, monkey see, monkey do. That the greatest way to train your organization, the greatest way to lead your organization, the greatest way to create duplication of the preferred behavior you want to see in your organization is simply based on this philosophy of monkey see, monkey do. That means you do what you want your people to do and you do it to the best of your ability. And you push yourself daily out of that comfort zone. All right? And I've seen this with my own two eyes and I've experienced this, guys. You are looking at an old man who has spent 22 years building a global organization for the great founders, Japa and Dato Sri Vijay. And I realized this. You can preach and speak until the cows come home and make you a cup of tea. But nothing is more powerful than the message of how you act, how you carry yourself, what you do. Because that is what your downlines are watching. And the leaders who struggle to convey a message, the leaders who struggle to convince their downlines by words, this is expected. All right? You cannot preach to your downlines. You got to walk the talk, lead by example. That means if you want to tell your downline that presentation is the most important activity in our organization, then my question to you, how many presentation did you do last week? How many presentation have you done until this Wednesday? How many presentations are you doing Thursday and Friday? If you want them to take their goals seriously, how seriously are you taking your goals? If you tell them dreams are important, how much do you talk sincerely, emotionally, from your heart about your dreams? If you say that there must be a price to pay, can they see you paying the price? Because what you do in secret does not work in network marketing. Network marketing is about showing them so they can see, and when they see, they will do. That's where the term comes, monkey see, monkey do. And it's not a funny term. It's a scientific term. That monkeys, as much as we laugh at them, are one of the most intelligent creatures, especially chimpanzees. All right? And they teach by doing. And everyone duplicates just by watching. They don't communicate. They cannot preach. So they do. All right? They cannot have classes. They do. And the other chimpanzee or monkey follows and copies. Because monkey see, monkey do. So there's a deep science into it. You can watch documentaries in it. And I believe in this philosophy. That as chief today, as your upline, how I live my life is the greatest training I can give you. Whether it's my Instagram live, my Instagram video posts, all right, or you are keeping track of my movement, my loyalty to Dato Sri Vijay is unconditional. And I learned it by watching the loyalty of Japa Das Bismarck to Dato Sri Vijay. Monkey see, monkey do. Alright, I see Dato Sri Vijay when I travel with him across the planet, giving his name card, setting up appointments for me to do presentation, that everyone is a prospect. And he's the founder. And he still networks. Monkey see, monkey do. I've seen Dato Sri Vijay never back down from whatever challenge we have faced around the world. And he stands and fights for the truth that we are a great company, that we are changing lives. Monkey see, monkey do. I've seen Dato Sri Vijay stay awake for days, being in service to the participants of VCon, Or even in the early days, I've seen him carry luggage when our VCon was on a cruise ship. Monkey see, monkey do. That is the key to any form of leadership, of duplication. Right? I see the care that he demonstrates every single day towards me, towards people around me. And his care has no expectation of anything in return. That the greatest thing I see him do, he will give. Even without the thank you, he will give some more. Even without gratefulness, he will give some more. Even if that person turns around and insults him, he will give some more. The philosophy of in-service by Japa and Dato is leadership by example. So while you are writing speeches, trying to figure out a better way of communicating your plans or getting them to wake up your downlines, I am telling you, go look in the mirror. The answer is in the mirror. So after this Wednesday message, stare at the mirror like I did for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, doesn't matter. You will find the answer that every solution you seek, every challenge you face, every answer that you have to give to a question of your downline will not require you to ever open your mouth. That I have seen max out kings and queens who have achieved max out by barely being on stage, by barely ever doing a training, but they lead by example. Because this philosophy of monkey see, monkey do is a fundamental philosophy. It applies to every aspect of your journey with us. It applies to how you treat your family, your commitment, your time, your ability to be consistent is monkey see, monkey do. And a lot of you today who follow my Wednesday message, Instagram Live, who follow me on Instagram and Facebook, ultimately what you see is me. And a lot of people have told me, Chief, I just saw your post. Even a photo can be an answer to somebody's concern, challenge, question. That's the power of this philosophy. And the mistake you make, you, like me, I made the same mistake in the early days. You believe the answer is out there. So you seek for answers and answers and solutions for years. And then you remain frustrated that you don't get the answer and you don't achieve the results. But what you fail to understand, you're looking at the wrong places. Look in the mirror. Your lack of success is because of you. Because you haven't understood that you are the answer. And I said this some Wednesday messages ago, maybe 6 months, 1 year. And I am telling you, Dato Sri wrote on the Sphere of Silence in 2005 in Dubai when he launched a book. He wrote there, all the answers you seek are within you, Padma Seelan. And I still have that copy of the Sphere of Silence. Whenever I open to read the book and I look at the front page, I smile and I laugh. Because after 22 years of trying everything under the sun, all right, like you, listening to everyone under the sun, I realize that I am the key to financial freedom for Padman. I am the key to the growth of the global organization. It is not what I say. It is far more important of who I am, what I do, how I live, the price I pay every day, the sacrifices I make, my loyalty to the founders, my belief in this industry, my love for QNet and the V, my love for my downlines, my consistent mindset that I am here to serve. That any edification, all right, must not get to my head, but must be grateful in my heart. And I am telling you, monkey see, monkey do. If you apply it, a very simple philosophy Dato Sri taught me. Everything you expect your downlines to do, everything you expect your leaders to do, you do. All right? But don't do it at an average level. Do it at an extreme, perfectionist, fanatical level. And they will duplicate. Monkey see, monkey do. Now you may say, Chief, I'm doing everything. No, you're not doing everything like this. You're doing it like that. Right? When you want people to duplicate your behavior, monkey see, monkey do, you have to do it at a consistent, fanatic, passionate, crazy level until they cannot ignore it. They must see it in front of their face every single day, and they will eventually copy it. They will eventually do it. Mark my words. I guarantee you this, that if you just become the best version of yourself, if you improve, as Dato Sri Vijay says, 1% every day, if you walk the talk or never talk, whatever you say you must do. What you do is more powerful than what you say. How you carry yourself, your integrity, your moral values, all right, your passion, your belief, the power of your dreams. All of this must send a broadcast like VCC out to the world of your organization. And they must see it, they must hear it, they must feel it. And then they will do the same. But the key is doing it with such intensity and power that it can be seen by others. That there is no secretive networker. That networkers must be the best version of themselves. So right after this Wednesday message, go and look in the mirror. Just stare at the mirror. I'm telling you, it's not easy. I'm very difficult actually. Stare at the mirror for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and find the answers you seek within you. Are you really paying the price? Are you really committed to doing presentation? Are you really a warrior? Are you really willing to do whatever it takes to achieve your TAT? Do you really have dreams that you're willing to fight for and die for? Is your belief strong enough to be contagious? Are you truly loyal to your uplines before demanding your downlines to be loyal to you? Do you truly carry the concept of servant leadership, of consistently being in service to your organization every single day without fail? Are you willing to put them before you? Look in the mirror for 15 minutes and ask yourself this question. And then start a new journey this week, week 10, by being the best you can be. Because once you are the best you can be, every answer you seek will be answered like this. Remember what Dato Sri Vijay told me. The ultimate truth about network marketing is never what you say. It is who you are and what you do consistently. So remember, monkey see, monkey do. Love you guys.